Yes, good morning, everybody. Today I will take your class. Please do that voice. Last day, which chapter are you taking? Which page? I think page number 79 you have done. Have you done? No? Page number 79? Please answer me that can you do from the page number 80? Please tell me or write that. Anyone? Good morning, beta. Everybody, good morning. Let me see who are you in that. Salma, Mriganko, Shombit, Sanchita. Anybody, please tell me. Sanchita, please tell me which page will I start from? Only write the page number. Only write. Today sir is absent, so I will take your class. Okay. Only write the page number. Voice. Okay, the previous class, okay, no problem. So page number 80 today I will do. If you have not done, do it. If you have done, you can revise it. Okay, beta. So page number 80, the first one is for that page number E. Okay, number E, page number 80. A policeman is chasing the thieves. I am just telling the rules for that present continuous tense is being chased. Am is are plus being plus past participle form of the main verb. So here number 1 they have given the thieves are being chased by policeman. Number 2, the principal is giving a presentation. A presentation is being given by the principal. By the principal. Okay? So, this is number 2. You have known the rule, a presentation is being given by the principal. Number 3. Rita is painting a portrait. So, yes, very good. A portrait, you can do by yourself. Then I am doing. If you are having any problem, please tell me. And also, if you are revising, then also it is good for you. So, Rita is painting a portrait. T-R-A-I-T, a portrait. It will be coming the first. Is being painted by Rita. Okay? It's very good. Okay. Srijita, Rita will be the capital letter. Okay, beta. Good. Sanchita, Srijita, it's very good. So, it is being painted by Rita. Orun is cleaning the window. Orun is cleaning the window. So, number 4, window is the object or the last form. So, number 1, number 4, the window will be coming first. Window singular, so is being chased, cleaned by Orun. So this is that number 4. Yes, very good. Next one, that present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, that Robi has eaten an apple. Rovi has eaten an apple. So here the rule is that have been or has been. Present perfect tense, have been or has been. How that? Active from passive. active sentence will be transformed in the passive sentence. First one, object, have been or has been, plus past participle form of the main verb. Form of the main verb and subject. Okay. So, here just the apple has been eaten by Robbie, they have given. So, you can understand the school playground if the fill in the blanks. Yes, Sonchita, yes, the Robbie has eaten an apple. So, apple has been eaten by Robbie. So, after that, children have plucked the flowers. Flowers have been plucked by children. So, okay, next one. So, if, fill in the blanks, the school playground has been maintained well. F1, F2, so rule is there, has been maintained. Fruits plural number. So fruits have been plucked. P-L-U-C-K-E-D, plucked. Number 3, now have been plucked. Very good. Number 3, more grocery items have been added. Number 4, the library list has been updated. Okay. So, library list has been updated. After that, simple past tense. That rule I am just telling only once. That rule, that is for that Rita wrote a story. Please remember and notice very carefully when it will be given that present tense on past tense. If I am telling the Rita writes a story and Rita wrote a story. So, story was written by Rita. This is always that children has doing that mistakes. Children has done this type of mistakes. Why? Because they did not notice what type of tense is there. So, if I am saying that Rita wrote a story, obviously rule was there, was plus past participle form of the main verb. Past participle form of the main verb. So, Rita wrote a story means a story was written by Rita. A story was written by Rita. So, next. So, here number G. Only I am just given that here that project was completed last week. Number 2, passengers served. Passengers were served. Number 2, were served. Passengers were served breakfast after the flight took off. Number 3, the topic was introduced. Someone introduced, teacher introduced. So, topic was introduced. Topic was introduced in the class yesterday. The play was presented. Number 4, play was presented. Play was presented at the Kamani Auditorium. So, presented. So, Kamani Auditorium presented the play. So yesterday topic was introduced in the class yesterday. So teacher or maybe another person, they introduced the story yesterday. Okay. So here it is the past tense. Here also age that Yuvraj Singh scored a century. A century was, here the spelling is mistaken. I think that is wrong. A century that has written. So century was scored by Yuvraj Singh. The sculpture carved a statue. A statue was carved by sculpture. So here number 8, 2. A statue was carved by a sculpture. Sculpture. Number 3, the ladies prepared delicious food. Delicious food was prepared by ladies. Delicious. What is the meaning of delicious? Do you know? It is very tasty. Okay. Delicious food was prepared by the ladies. So delicious food was prepared by the ladies. And next one, number 4, Reena invited Ragini yesterday. So yesterday, so number 4, Ragini, just I am change this one, Ragini was invited. Here no subject, that they are placing the change, that they are changed, they are placed. Okay. So Ragini was invited by Reena yesterday. So please do these things. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay. Or next day sir will do after the page number 81. If you have done this one, you have revised. I think if you are having any problem, okay, no problem. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day, beta.